Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is October the 11th, 2022. The unthinkable has just happened in Snowflake stock. I'm here to address that today and show you that we need to be bearish into the market in this particular stock for Snowflake. So check this out. Did a video in Snowflake right here. You guys can see it on August the 26th, 2022. I was bullish. I was looking for the market in Snowflake to go higher. But now let me break this down so we all can learn how we should have known that the strength was not available, that the buyers were not here in Snowflake. I think you guys can see what really happened following my video, because the market after I did the video did go up in Snowflake, right? I want you all to see this. We can tell where the sellers came into the market in Snowflake right here. Look at this right there. This was the start of the recognition of weakness and selling. This is the second time that Snowflake got rejected at $204. Isn't that amazing? The first time was here on August the 26th, the day that I did the video. Market fell down, right? But it came back up to 204, got rejected a second time. That's a clue. The market is telling you, hey, you might be bullish, but the sellers are positioned around 204. Hopefully you took the profitability out there because the buyers weren't willing to take the price above that. That was the first indication, right? And then the market in Snowflake came all the way down here to our trend line, right? So let's take a look. And it came and held our trend line, which is great, which is cool. Market tried to lift up in Snowflake, but then it came back down and we broke the trend. That's why we need to be bearish. Those two reasons: this seeing rejection at 204, and then two, us breaking the trend. This is not a bullish stock. I don't care what anyone tries to tell us. This is not a bullish stock. There's more selling going on right now with Snowflake than there are people willing to buy it. So this price prediction, outside of us going into the price target area on September the 15th, even on August the 26th, it didn't go right. The buyers didn't have enough momentum to break to 210 even. So if we were to get out the market on the close of yesterday, take a look. We will be down around 19% right now. All right, now that happens. But I think you guys can tell that we shouldn't be bullish in Snowflake anymore. Not right now, all because of this reason alone. We have to believe what we see on the chart. We broke it. It is what it is. So if you were bullish, if you're a buyer in Snowflake, I know many of you will leave comments and say that you're still buying on these dips. I get it, but understand the market is weak. So you can buy a weak stock if you want, but just understand that it is weak. All right, so let me go ahead and look at this on the 3-day chart, because I am going to play the weakness into the market of Snowflake. I am going to look for the price to go down. The price target is not going to be massively bearish though. Like, I'm not going to tell you that the market's going to run down to $75, but the first price target is going to be around 150. Then my second is going to be around 140. Now, looking at the spread of this 3-day price bar, 140 definitely looks plausible for us to see the market run down towards. Looking at this on the 5-day, we got 8 hours and 58 minutes left, and currently this is weakness. Look at that. Look at that 5-day price bar right there. I'm not trying to convince you. I'm just simply showing you the evidence of what is strength and what is weakness. That is weakness. And then we look at this on a longer term basis, right? On this 5-day chart. Look at all of these 5-day price bars to which the market in Snowflake could not trade above $200. Now, we give the market credit. They tried, but they just couldn't do it. So let's go ahead and look at this on the weekly chart. Okay, you guys can see it there that the market is weak there. 2 weeks, seeing the market weakness there. 3 weeks is definitely a lot of weakness here. Definitely a lot of weakness. Here it is on the 5 weeks. All right, so I think you guys got the gist of what the chart is looking like. It's looking weak. So let me go ahead and put this on the chart. We're looking for the price in Snowflake to go down. And that first price target is around 150. Okay, that's 5.6%. The second one is around 140. Okay, those are my two price targets. And then my third one is going to be around 130, which is around 18% market move to the downside. Okay, I think you guys got it now. Now I'm going to hold this trend line here just a little while longer. Let's just say the market comes back to life and the buyers come in, and let's say that they're able to lift the market up. but we won't fall for it because we understand that that will be rejection or resistance and price will come back down. So I just want to use that as a point of reference. Okay. Right there. So that is it. I'm done. It's not hard. It's not complicated. This is the updated price target, price prediction in the market in Snowflake. The unthinkable happened, and the unthinkable was when the market broke this trend line. Make sure you maintain profitability and tell me where do you think the market is about to go in Snowflake.